watching First Alert Weather with Teresa Bryant.
And right now we are looking at the snow on our live sky cam, and you can barely see, well actually you can't see downtown Davenport at all due to those thick, wet, heavy flakes which continue to fall across a large portion of our viewing area. And as we take a look at what's happening now on our live Doppler radar, you will see here in the Quad Cities area a little bit of a wintry mix. We're right on the edge there between the snow and rain-snow mix off to the east. To the north, we're talking about mainly snow in these darker areas of blue indicating some heavier bands, so that's really going to add up. And down across the south, still seeing some rain, although it's quickly starting to change over along the Mississippi River Valley, and expecting that to see some minor accumulations in that vicinity as well. Here's what's happening right now. We've got that winter weather advisory in effect across parts of our viewing area, but also down to the south and east, a tornado watch currently in effect for parts of southern Illinois, so those folks under the gun once again. Currently, we've got a reading of 34 degrees and snow over the Quad Cities, north-northwest winds at 14 miles per hour. Looking for that rain-snow mix to change over to all snow later on this afternoon, and looking for cooler conditions as we head into the weekend. Temperatures only reaching into the 30s. Right now, we've got a reading of 31 degrees in Dubuque, 40 in Galesburg, 39 in Kewanee, 34 degrees in Muscatine and Burlington. Temperatures dropping now from morning highs in the lower 40s to upper 30s, and winds moving out of the northwest at about 10 to 20 miles per hour with some higher gusts reported across parts of our viewing area. Here's what's happening. We see that snow as it continues to make way across the region. That storm system expected to really start to pile up the snow, especially across the northern portions of our viewing area. Still seeing that rain down to the south, but that's expected to change over shortly. And once it does, we will see the snow really starting to pile up. That snow exiting our viewing area by about 9, 10 o'clock tonight. After that, quiet weather conditions and a few light flurries on tap during the day on Saturday. 2 to 4 inch snowfall totals. Could see some isolated higher amounts, upwards of 5 inches for some of the northern counties of our viewing area, around 1 to 2 from the Quad Cities to points south. And a winter weather advisory remains in effect across parts of our viewing area until 9 o'clock this evening. Here's what's happening. We can expect to see temperatures right around 35 degrees by 3 o'clock this afternoon. A rain-snow mix changing over to all snow. Lows down to 26 degrees as that snow comes to an end. 38 degrees under partly cloudy skies for your Saturday. Breezy conditions expected to continue. 30s on tap for Sunday. 40s by Monday. And look at this. Highs in the 60s by Tuesday.
Wow. Thanks, Teresa. Still to come on the news at noon is being called one of the wildest teenage party films of all time. We'll give you a glimpse of Project X and other movies opening this weekend when we come back.
The Figge Museum for Families on the next PSL. Teresa Bryant takes us to the new exhibit that's all about interaction. Plus, the Figge is a new addition to our Women's Health and Lifestyles Fair this weekend. See you Friday at 3 for Paula Sands Live.
Sounds that kitties make. Twinkle, twinkle, little word that rhymes with star. Obi-Wan Kenobi's yard sale. Double, double, father time. Mother Nature.
Who is Foghorn Leghorn?
Who is Einstein?
Roddy.
What is Norse?
Yes.
I'd like to buy a vowel.
Watch Daytime Jeopardy at 3:30 and Jeopardy at 4:30. It's your daily double, only on KWQC HD6.
KWQC HD6 News is there, bringing you the stories that affect your life.
Beyond the pensions, there are some facility closures in this plan, too.
The superintendent tells us that they may have to raise taxes to cover the cost.
Now, all of these people gone means fewer tax dollars for county budgets to work with. That has many people asking, how will the state afford it?
Giving you the facts so you're informed. KWQC HD6 News. Earning the trust of a community happens over time. It takes dedication and reliability. It takes a desire to inform and commitment to excellence. The KWQC First Alert Weather Team has what it takes.